changing my RAM, my computer RAM, 4GB, and I have to change this to a 16GB. And I have to do it soon because I just bought the thing, and if it's malfunction, I can quickly replace another one. So today, I'm going to show you how to dismantle the computer. Open it up, see what's inside, take out the 4GB, replace it for today's demo. Let's begin. Alright, what I want to do right now is to change the RAM. Now this is the RAM I've bought. Originally it's 4GB. I'm going to change to 16GB using data. I don't know why I buy this brand. This is from Taiwan. This is the first time I buy this brand, and it says lifetime warranty. So let's go with this. Hopefully it won't give any problem to my computer. The first thing I'm going to do is switch off the power, flip it around, and we're going to unscrew everything. Once the screw is unscrewed, I will position the screw in the same way I open it, so that my screw, the same screw will go back into the same hole. I don't mix them around. Of the screw is placed in another location as that same place because some of the screws are longer, some are shorter. During the fix, you may forget which screw is which screw. See the size of this screw? It is this short. If you look at the other one, the size of this screw, they are not the same. Done. I have already unscrewed everything. Now a lot of brands like Samsung, HP, Asus, they are all using laptops made by similar manufacturer, one or two of them. Most of these manufacturers come from either China or Taiwan. If you have the screws open at the bottom, you usually cannot take out the cover at the bottom. You have to flip it and remove the keyboard. And to do that, you have to be very careful because there are one or two cables attached to the keyboard, and all the latches that you can't see hidden needs to be removed. Alright, let's try this one, see if it can open the laptop. Alright, now you have to be very careful with the cables. This is the first time I'm opening up the notebook. You have to be very careful. If you are not careful, you will break the cable, and that will take a lot of time to fix it. Alright, just push it out. It is very difficult to push it out. So there's another one here. I believe it's the same thing. You have to open up the latch from the front. You have to push it up and push this up. Now here you'll see this is a CD-ROM. This is the hard disk. It's a very small 2.5-inch hard disk. And where am I looking at? This is the Wi-Fi. Okay? This is the Wi-Fi. This is the battery. This is the battery. One long battery is joined together. See this battery, the small round cylinder battery joined together. 3 of them joined as one. This is the speaker. This is also the speaker. Very powerful bass speaker. And where's the RAM? I have to open this up. Take away the cable, open this up, and the RAM is behind. This is the onboard RAM. I just realized this is an onboard RAM. I'm not sure if the slot has been taken or not because I bought a 16GB and it may or may not work. I didn't know that this is an onboard RAM because according to the guy it says it's not on board. That's why I bought a 16GB. That could be one. This may not be successful, or it may be successful changing it and having it to boot up because the maximum is only 16GB will take. Not more than that. this is a hard disk. Okay. Right. Oh, it's connected to this. Oh, okay. It's a slide up. Everything is slide up. I didn't know that it's slide up. I thought it's push up. So this is the CD-ROM. Yeah. This one looks like quite difficult to remove, so I want to leave it there. The RAM slot is empty. I want to try to slide in if I can. The RAM slot is empty. This is the onboard RAM, which is it will give me some problem. I will try to put in the extra RAM, and then I want to boot up the computer, see if it works. That really take a long time because of the battery is connected, and I want to be careful. This is the first time I'm doing this. I want to be extra careful not to break anything. Alright, I will bring the 16 gig, and that will make total of 20 gig. I am not sure if Asus can take 20 gig. Let me try right now. It boots out. Wow, it boots out. It boots out. It boots out. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Huh. Oh, it's good. I've done it. 20 gig it can take. Okay, I'm going to shut down, put everything back together, and complete my demo tutorial for this. I have rebooted the PC. It seems that it can handle 20 GB of RAM. So now I have to screw back everything and close up the notebook and run it. This will complete my job for changing the RAM. Alright, the mouse is working. Alright, let's turn it off. Done. It has cooled up, meaning that the computer is working fine. I am so worried that it will not boot up. If it will not boot up, you will not be able to see this video. So it's 20 gig, which is really good. Thank you for watching.
消息先講到呢度，下次會繼續報導。